the 2020 Lexus LX 570. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes leather upholstery, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats both front and rear, front dual-zone air conditioning, a headlight cleaning system, illuminated running boards, power moonroof, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.